I'm going to show you how to make this crochet basket tutorial. I used Lion Brand Wool Ease Thick and Quick yarn. It's sparkle white, 5 ounces, 140 grams. It's a number 6 for the super bulky. I used a K hook. You can go up or down on your yarn and your hook size, but I do recommend the thickness and the hook because it's a basket. And the pattern is down below in the description. The width is 9 inches across and the height is 7 inches. You can make this bigger if you'd like, and I'll tell you how to just keep making it taller and expand on it if you want to, or you can keep it that size. Okay, so let's get started. Going to do a magic circle. If this is your first time, I have videos for how to do that. You're going to grab the yarn, pull it through, and create a chain 3. You can place your video in slow motion as well on your video computer or on your device. I have a video for that as well. If this is too fast, yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn to create a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. I'm going to create 9 double crochet all together. The chain 3 will count as 1, and then I will have 10 stitches all together. Repeat that until you have the 10, including the chain 3. Okay, I'm going to pull it close with the tail and then slip stitch on top of that chain 3 to complete for the round. Chain 3 counts as your first double crochet, then double crochet in the same stitch as your chain 3. Then work 2 double crochet in each stitch around for a total of 20. So each stitch will get 2 double crochet. This will create an increased round. Now you're going to slip stitch on top of the chain 3. Make sure you have 20 stitches. If you have 21 stitches, then you've done too many stitches. Then chain 3. It's going to look like this, a circle. Work a double crochet in the same stitch. Then work 2 double crochet in each stitch around. So each stitch will get 2 double crochet. This is another increased round. And then 2 in the next, and just keep repeating that until you get to the beginning. Now you're going to slip stitch in the chain 3, and this is an increased round. You're going to chain 3, double crochet in the next stitch, then work 2 double crochet in the next stitch as an increase, and then work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then work 2 double crochet increase. So it's going to be 1, 2, and then 2. And then repeat that around. That is the pattern until you get to the beginning. You can keep increasing each round for the width that you prefer. I'm going to do just a few more rounds. So this one is another increased round. So slip stitch, chain 3, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then work an increase. So 2, and then work 1 single crochet in the next 3. And if you want it to make this wider, then every round you can increase 1 more stitch before the increase. So this one is 3, then 2 increase, and the next round, if you want to go bigger, because I stopped after this, you can go 4 stitches and then 2 increase, and then you can go 5 and then 6 and just keep repeating it until you have the width of the basket that you prefer. Then just work the 2 here. So 1 single crochet in the next 3 and then 2. Okay, so the measuring tape, it's about 9 across. I stopped here, but you can make it wider if you want. Okay, slip stitch, and then I'm going to make this basket stand up with a chain 3, and then in the front loop I'm going to work a double crochet in each stitch around, no increases. So go right into that front loop, not the back loop but the front, and this will make the basket stand up. And just repeat that around until you get to the beginning. Okay, it's standing up now, and now I'm going to slip stitch and then chain 3 and then work a double crochet in each stitch around in both loops this time, not just the front loop. Okay, this is the next round is done exactly like the other round. Just slip stitch, chain 3, work 1 double crochet in each stitch around, and I'm doing this for about 7 rounds. You can do it more if you want your basket taller. Okay, I'm going to do a chain 3 and then create handles. So I'm going to double crochet in the next 11 stitches. This is how tall it is now. So in the next 11 stitches, and then stop. I'm going to chain 9 for the handle. You can make your handle bigger or smaller just depending on what you want to do. You might want to make them bigger if you go wider on your basket. So once you have 9, then you're going to skip 9 stitches and then double crochet in the next 24. So skip 9, and then in the next stitch you're going to double crochet and then work 24, including this one, 24 double crochet across or around, and then you'll create another handle. Okay, you're creating the next handle. This is that handle, and you're going to chain 9 again. And then skip 9 stitches. And then work the rest of the remaining double crochet until you get to the beginning. And then you will have 2 handles. Now double crochet until you get to the handle. Then once you get to the handle, you're going to work 11 double crochet around the handle. If you want to do more, you can. And then double crochet all the way around until you get to the next handle. It looks just like that, and you'll do the next handle the same exact way. Just work your 11 double crochet around the next chain 9. Then slip stitch, and then your basket is complete. You could do another round of double crochet if you wanted to. I stopped after this. Then you're going to take your other smaller hook and weave in your ends. This yarn might be just a little too thick to use a yarn needle. Now you can yarn over, pull through, and weave in all of your ends, and then your basket is complete. Alright, this is it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. The pattern is down below.